Warning. I'm neither financial advisor nor trained financial expert capable of providing advice of any sorts. The content on this YouTube videos is for educational purposes only and merely list of model prediction and related search results. To make the best financial decision that suits your needs, you must conduct your own research and seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor. All investments involve some risk and there is no guarantee that you will be successful in making, saving, or investing money, nor is there any guarantee that you won't experience any loss when investing. Hi. I'm just like you, not professionally trained for stock trading but use what I do for a living for the investment. I just believe my model more than my biased opinion from my untrained eyes. I'm strong believer of George Box's saying, all models are wrong but some are useful. So I trained my model and shared my prediction results from this video. I'll share the actual architecture of the present model once I release the next version. I only use S&P 500 stocks for my analysis and try to predict whether the stock will show more than 50% profit from year 1 to year 2. I don't want to take this profit as short-term gain because I'm close to my next federal tax bracket. Also, I have my day job so I just want to put a limit order once 1 year mark is passed. I'll first present the likelihood of this ticker showing more than 50% of profit between year 1 and year 2, and provide the list of past tickers and buying timing with news headlines of the day. Again, I also don't believe these are 100% accurate, so just treat this as a list of stocks to study for the week. Let's begin. According to the model, the probability of NFLX show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.46%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker KHC date from April 25, 2019 to April 25, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Bobby Flay, Maria Ho and Noah Syndergaard make their first round stock picks. Second article. Warren Buffett backs changes at Kraft Heinz board, NY Post. According to the model, the probability of Etsy show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 67.84%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker redate from May 1, 2020 to May 8, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 10 key stock to watch over the next few months. Ticker CF date from May 7, 2020 to May 7, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. CF Industries, CF, earnings and sales beat estimates in Q1. Ticker new date from April 28, 2020 to May 1, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Nucor's, NUE, Q1 earnings and revenues beat estimates. Second article. Nucor CEO talks state of the steel market, says prices will bottom in second quarter. Third article. Nucor strapping in for the downturn. Fourth article. Nucor Corporation, NUE, CEO Leon Topalian on Q1 2020 results, earnings call transcript. Fifth article. Nucor's, NUE, earnings and sales surpass estimates in Q1. Sixth article. Nucor CEO sticks by dividend, predicts steel price bottom in second quarter. Seventh article. Nucor reports solid earnings, expects COVID-19 effects to hit next quarter. According to the model, the probability of ENPH show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 66.50%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker ENPH date from December 27, 2019 to December 30, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. The battery decade, how energy storage could revolutionize industries in the next 10 years. According to the model, the probability of IPGP show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 63.24%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker EMR date from April 3, 2020 to April 6, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 3 stocks trading at enticing valuations. According to the model, The probability of PENN show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 62.69%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of EPAM show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 62.04%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker dry date from April 14, 2020 to April 17, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why restaurant stocks jumped today? Second article. Is Darden Restaurants stock a buy? Ticker MGM date from April 14, 2020 to April 15, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Gaming industry near-term outlook bleak on coronavirus woes. Second article. MGM stock looks to have topped out for the time being. Ticker MRO date from March 31, 2020 to April 2, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Oil at $20 a barrel, who wins, who loses and who survives? Second article. Crude prices are headed to single digits, Rapidon Energy founder. Third article. Oil stocks soar after President Trump's tweet of coming Saudi, Russia production cuts. Ticker DAL date from April 28, 2020 to April 28, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. JetBlue, Delta seek US OK to suspend flights to 25 US. Second article. Whether Warren Buffett will buy or sell Delta. Third article. Stock market wrap-up, why airlines took off today. Fourth article. Why airline shares are up today. Fifth article. Raymond James has 5 stocks to buy now if we have a snapback v recovery. According to the model, the probability of ATVI show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 61.74%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker LVS date from December 9, 2019 to December 10, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Gaming industry outlook, Macau performance a pressing concern. Ticker Black date from July 24, 2020 to July 27, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 10 dividend growth stocks for July 2020. Second article. 4 best BlackRock mutual funds you should eye in August. Third article. ETF investors bailed on active funds for cheaper passive alternatives. Fourth article. BlackRock Canada announces final July cash distributions for the iShares Premium Money Market ETF. According to the model, the probability of FB show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 61.51%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker CME date from April 28, 2020 to April 30, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Kinder Morgan, get paid a 7% yield to ride out the turbulence in energy. Second article. 15 strong stocks with rising dividends despite the recession. Third article. Final trades, Las Vegas Sands, Akamai, Kinder Morgan and more. Ticker FTV date from April 29, 2020 to May 4, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Fortive Corp, FTV, CEO James Lico on Q1 2020 results, earnings call transcript. Second article. Fortive's, FTV, Q1 earnings beat estimates, revenues Mississippi. Third article. Fortive, FTV, surpasses Q1 earnings estimates. According to the model, the probability of TWTR show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 61.43%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker key date from February 13, 2019 to February 19, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Hashtag Ask Halftime, Regions Bank and KeyCorp. According to the model, the probability of LKQ show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 61.04%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker BSX date from November 13, 2019 to November 13, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Final trades, CVS, US Bancorp, Boston Scientific and more. Second article. Large option traders betting Boston Scientific has run out of steam. Third article. Aureus Asset Management's carry Firestone shares 6 value stock picks. According to the model, the probability of MRNA show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 60.28%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of PIP will show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 60.04%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this.